BPB's 2018 NAMM show coverage is sponsored by Loopmasters and Plugin Boutique.
Hi, this is Mitchell Sigmund for Cherry Audio, talking about Voltage Modular, which is our brand new modular synthesizer environment. Turn that down a little bit. And it's a super flexible virtual modular synth. If you're familiar with Eurorack modular, it will be completely familiar to you. It's super easy to use. There are no hidden menus. There's nothing to really learn if you know modular synthesizers. It's got a big input-output panel up here with pitch and CV, and you can freely route things however you like. And I'm out walking around gates and amplifiers and so forth. And you've got about 40 modules right now, and it's very easy to route real-time controls. It's super easy and fun to use, and basically addresses all the shortcomings we found in other virtual modular synthesizers. We wanted it to be very much a one-to-one experience with using a real hands-on modular synth. So everything is live all the time. You can freely move modules around however you like. You can bring in new modules very simply, just double-click or drag and drop and place them wherever you want. Over here we have this is one of the better ones, an oscilloscope. It looks really cool. It's very fun. And the big picture of it is that we want third parties to develop modules for it, because we've got a very easy development environment. It's all Java based, and all the modules work. It works cross-platform, Mac and PC, VST, audio units, standalone, and we're probably going to have Pro Tools AX support as well. And if you want to make your own modules for it, we have a separate app, a module builder app. It's very easy to use. It's graphic based. You can drag all your knobs and sliders into it and assign Java code for the DSP and basically spit out a done module that will work across all platforms. So it's really easy to use. We have that coming. Yeah, I think we're gonna have an edit here. We have the development environment makes it really easy for people to make their own modules for it, and we'll have an app store where you can buy the modules and you can buy packages of modules, and you'll also be able to buy third-party stuff. If you want to make your own module for it, you can sell it in our app store, and everybody can have access to it. So we just want to build a really big environment and community for people making modules for it. And it will probably be available, we're shooting for about April for a release date. It will probably cost about $150 or so for a basic package with about 30, 40 modules in it. And we want to keep the whole thing really reasonably priced. Individual modules will probably be $10 to $40, $50 maybe. And like I said, very accessible. We want everybody from a 16-year-old in their garage to seasoned music, composers to have access to the system, and we hope everyone will enjoy it. It's just a really fun modular environment. Do another here.
Hi, I'm Dan Goldstein with Cherry Audio, and this is the Voltage Module Designer. It's a great tool for designing your own modules. So basically you can create custom artwork for your back panel. You can drag in knobs and buttons, lay them anywhere you want. You can resize them, you can skin them, you can choose from any of the skins that we provide, or you can create your own skins for every control, put it anywhere you want, add some input jacks and output jacks. And then in our code window, you write simple Java code. All you have to do is add some DSP. We also include a lot of basic DSP components like oscillators and noise sources and filters, plus things like biquad filters that you can use to build EQs, different delay effects and reverbs and distortion effects and some other tools. And you can either write your own DSP or use some of our elements and very easily program custom code for your own module. And then once you've built your module, you can just build it and run it right in this program. It'll compile it and then give you this test suite, so you can take certain signals, certain test signals, square waves, or run audio into it and out of it, and you can actually hear right in this suite what your module sounds like and make sure everything works the way it's supposed to, push the buttons, that sort of thing. And then once you're happy with it, and once everything's working right, you simply render to a module file, and now your module will run in Voltage. Modules that are built in this that meet our standards and our guidelines can be sold in our store. So we actually have a built-in module store that's part of Voltage. So not only can you build cool modules, but you can actually make money out of them. And we're hoping to turn Voltage into a large community of clever people building cool modules that everyone can share and have fun with.